It's Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 is confirmed with some final touches that we are going to see in the coming weeks. It is almost confirmed what kind of a design we're going to get in Galaxy Fold 4, and honestly, there is nothing interesting in it. Although Samsung claims to ship more phones this year and breaks the previous Fold records in sale. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to launch in August 2022 and the Fold 4 price is almost confirmed. Meanwhile, Samsung is also changing display technology in the Galaxy Fold 4. Galaxy Fold 4 could be the Samsung's first foldable device to have a built-in S Pen technology. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 will be going to have an under-display camera which can be featured in the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Fold 4 or Vivo X Fold. Which one you consider buying this year? Samsung takes the stance and changed the foldable phone's name. On Samsung's official website, Samsung changed the Galaxy Z Fold 3 name to Fold 3. The letter Z has been a symbol found on Russia's invasion forces, so Samsung removed it. Although this is the reason, but get a better name for all the foldable devices. Now, the upcoming Fold will be called as Fold 4 without Z in it. Let's talk about the display of Fold 4. Samsung is not going to change inner or outer display this time. And there is one big reason, which is reducing the cost for the Galaxy Fold 4. If that could be the reason, then the Fold 4 is comparatively cheaper than its predecessor, the Fold 3. But this is not appealing at all. Another change that we are going to see in the Fold 4 is its UTG Ultra Thin Glass, which is going to debut on the Fold 4, which eventually calls Super UTG for marketing purposes. And I think due to these small changes, Samsung is going to stick with the same design. Except one key change in the camera housing, this time Samsung is making camera lenses individual just like the S22 Ultra cameras. And this could potentially the only design change that we could see this year. Although Samsung is changing internals, Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus, new under-display camera, and one of the most important thing, how Samsung managed the S Pen, and how they managed to put large battery in Fold 4 along with the S Pen and other. Leaving on this note, with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Fold 4 or Vivo X Fold. Which one would you consider buying this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.